Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy, students and staff. Hi, this is Chris coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Friday, November 17th, 2017. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 35 degrees. Later today, we're expecting a high of 46 and a low of 42, with afternoon rain. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Alexa, Madison, Alexi.
I pledge allegiance to the flag
of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Bulls will play the Charlotte Hornets tonight at 7 o'clock. Tomorrow night, the Blackhawks will play the Pittsburgh Penguins at 6 o'clock. And the Bears will play the Detroit Lions on Sunday at noon. Clubs meeting today are 6th grade band buddies at 11:45 in room 208. Today's announcements are, today is Culver Street Day. Now a message from Mr. Smelger and Mrs. Ankrum.
Thank you, Chris. Good morning, Hoover staff and students. Happy Friday. Hopefully everybody's having an orange day today. I know we are. Ms. Ankrum, how are you today?
Good, how are you?
Really good.
Great.
What's new with you?
Nothing is new, nothing at all.
Nothing at all?
No.
All right, I like your ponytail. Are those pigtails?
They're pigtails.
Pigtails,
Thanks.
nice.
I like your new glasses. Do they help you see better?
They do. They actually help me see quite a bit better, actually.
Good.
Thank you.
Good.
Kind of pinched my nose a little bit, though, but that's okay.
You can still breathe. Breathe
right.
with your mouth open.
Yes. Anyway, we've got a lot going on today. Apparently, it is. Why don't you just go ahead and take over? I'm just going to sit here and
Okay,
smile.
so we have a couple things going on. First of all, it's Smensel Friday! Woo! So we have students that were nominated for. Okay, that stops now. Whenever you're ready.
I'm waiting for you.
I'll wait on you.
To talk.
All right.
Go ahead.
So every Friday, we're going to nominate students for Smensels if they've gone above and beyond. So teachers have already been nominating students, and we have 4 students that have been nominated for this Friday. So what you're going to do when we call your name and after announcements is you're going to go to the office. The secretaries there are also looking as awesome as we are. They're going to have a disco ball going. There's some dancing in the office, and you can get your Smensel with a note on it from a staff member who's nominated you, and it can be any staff member. It doesn't have to be your teacher. So the 4 first students we have are Kyle from 206, Dylan from 206, Annabelle from 116, and Bianca from 119. Congratulations.
Awesome job. So they'll get Smensels in the office, right?
Yes.
Cool.
All right. Next we have, so last year we did Teachers with Flair. This year we're doing You've Been Framed. Woo! Yeah. You good?
No, but just go
All
ahead.
right. We're going to keep on
Randomly
going.
do it.
So now we have teachers. We are framing teachers. So our first teacher that's been framed is Mr. Sustich. And so we had staff members write really nice words about him. So a couple words are he is collaborative, helpful, and dedicated. Those are just a few words to describe Mr. Sustich.
And who's, mine doesn't have.
Mrs. Norrell.
Oh, Mrs. Noverall. All right. And Mrs. Noverall, a few of the words they used to describe her were friendly, dedicated, appreciative, kind, and brilliant.
Awesome.
And I would agree.
Yeah, so
Awesome
would I.
job, Mrs. Noverall
Great.
and Mr.
Excellent.
Sustich.
Yep. Great.
All right. What else do we have going on? There's a lot of stuff today.
Yeah, we have a lot going on. So we also have our Herbie High Fives and our Herbie Heroes. Woo! Which would you like to do first?
Let's do our Herbie's Heroes.
Okay. All right, come on up.
It's grown from 2 to 4
Oh. All right.
to 5.
Okay.
All right. So why don't we go ahead and, by the way, if this is yours, if you could come down to the office afterwards, it was left on one of the buses.
Yep.
All right, everyone ready?
Squeeze in a little bit, guys. There you go. Okay.
All right, who wants to start? Tell us your name, your room number, and why you are Herbie's hero.
I'll go.
We'll start at my
All
left.
right.
My name is Ava. I'm in 5th grade, 119. And I was Herbie Hero because I demonstrated in the classroom being respectful, responsible, and safe.
All right, so Ava was respectful, responsible, and safe. Awesome job, Ava. You're in Mrs. Villarreal's room, right? Mm-hmm. All right.
She also cannot keep a straight face with those glasses. I'm sorry. She demonstrates safety by following classroom rules, and she always has a kind smile to share with others. Great
All right.
job.
Next,
I'm Katarine.
Katarine.
I'm Harvey Hero because I always try my best on everything and I stayed organized.
Very good.
Very good. And it also says she's always showing responsibility to produce great quality work, and she has role model behavior.
Awesome job.
My name is Katie, I'm from room 212, and I'm Herbie Hero because I get my work done efficiently and on time.
Awesome. And I'll bet you do quite well on your work too, right? Yeah, she's not going to brag, but she does well in class. Good job, Katie.
I'm Jacqueline and I'm from room 210 and I work hard on my work and get it done efficiently and
That's good, right?
Great
All right,
job.
Jacqueline, thank you. We keep adding to star students, so we're not necessarily prepared with the sheet, so that's why we only had a few of them. You're up.
I'm Brian in room 211, and I was Herbie Hero for being quiet and respectful in the classroom.
Okay, being quiet, respectful. Brian's always very respectful in the classroom, always follows directions. Great job, Brian. Again, 5 more examples of the wonderful students here at Hoover, and they represent our school well out in the community as well. So thank you, Herbie's Heroes. Good job. If you want to, well, do we have anything else?
Do we have one more?
Oh, we have one more?
Okay, why don't you guys come out?
All right, we're going to do one more star student.
Come on up.
Okay. Go ahead.
All right. Tell us about yourself.
I'm Patricia from room 207 and I'm Herbie Heroes because I'm responsible, respectful, and safe and I do my work on time and I try my best on it.
That's right, Patricia is always getting her work done, and she does it on time, and she does quite well in school also. So great job, Patricia. Thank you for being a Herbie's Heroes. Thank you for being with us today. We're actually going to have you help us pick out some of the high fives.
Okay.
All right, that work? All right, Ms. Sankum, you want to go first?
I will go first. Here we go. I have the
Funny how this
intermediate.
apron really makes things hot.
Does it? I thought it was your sweater, but
No,
it could
it's
be
the
the
apron.
apron. Okay. Here we go. First one up is Rumi in 205. Do you want to pick one? Come on over. Thank you.
Aisha?
Aisha in 120. Oh, I got, is it Rami? It might be Rami in 205 again. Rachel in 206. Ashley in 120. Carrie's in 120. Maddie in 116.
Tanish in 107.
And one more, and then you can go.
I can't read these. You hold it so I can see it.
I'm trying. I'm trying to keep my bow
Looks
up.
like Maneen.
Maheen?
Maheen.
Maheen
All right.
in 120.
In 120. Here you
Great
go.
job. Oh,
All
your
right.
turn. Thanks for waiting.
All right, I can't read that one. Just throw that one back in there.
Thought you got new glasses.
It's not the eyes, it's the handwriting. Wow, these are really like. What does that say? Can you tell? See, children, remember to write your names legibly.
Nope.
Yeah, that's 2 now that we can't read. All right. Alejandra in 114.
There we go.
All right, Patricia, dig in there. Who do we have? Can you read it?
I cannot.
See? Cruz in 214. All right. We've got Umama in 202.
Alexandra in 114.
Alejandra looks like.
Sorry.
Yeah, I think so. In 114. Amir in 115. Actually, it's Amr.
Brent in 213.
Brent in 213. Let's do one more. Dig all the way down, somewhere near the bottom. This one's full.
Dina in 106.
Looks like, I think it's Diana in 106. Yeah, Diana in 106.
Okay, that's, okay.
Awesome. Thanks for your help, Tricia. We're going to have our special guest come on, but you're going to stay right there. You get to sing with us.
No.
Well, you don't have to. You can just pretend. All right.
All right, it's Friday, so we're going to sing our school song. Up with Hoover, they love us wherever we go. Up with Hoover is the greatest school we know. We work together, we learn together, we're tops in every way. We know that our school is the best school. Hoover, Hoover, hooray. We know that our school is the best school. Hoover, Hoover, hooray, hooray.
All right. Have a great day, or not. The choice is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Schmelzer and Mrs. Ankrum. Friday's fact is, today is Take a Hike Day. Take a Hike Day encourages groups of families and friends to get out into the wild and see what it means to get away from it all. Hiking helps to rebuild our connection with nature and to help maintain healthy hearts and bodies as well. Take a Hike Day reminds us that we are all creatures of the wild. And sometimes it is good to be out there and enjoying it. That's all for today. This week's broadcast has been brought to you by the Super Squad production team. Have a Friday.